your magic artful creations. Today we are making pond creatures. It's yellow. Red. And pink. Now, we need to color the duck with yellow. Nice! Keep going. The yellow is bright and shiny. Use pink to color the duck's bill. Give red to color the cheeks. Now, we have these pretty two ducks. They are swimming together in the pond. Now, let's create a frog. Take green to make it look alive. The tummy was blue.
Hum.
touch. Give red to the cheeks. Whee! The frog can jump around in the pond now. It looks really happy. Next, let's color this little fish to make it pretty. Yellow and green make it looks beautiful. Use pink for the fins. Little fish is alive now. Create one more fish to play with other creatures. The pink and white looking nice together. And alive too. Woo! Now we have ducks, frog, and fish. They live happily together in the pond. For watching. See you on our next video.